Hi guys, welcome to our channel. Today's our topic is Bernoulli's equation. An equation of the form of dy by dx plus py equal to q into y power n. Then the given equation is of the form, then the equation is known as Bernoulli's equation, where p and q are the functions of x or constants and n is a non-linear equation. This equation can be made linear using the following methods. That is Bernoulli's equation of dy by dx plus py equal to q into y power n. Equation 1. Dividing equation 1 by y power n, then 1 by y power n dy by dx plus p by y power n minus 1 equal to q. Let's say equation 2. Let 1 by y power n minus 1 equal to u. Differentiate with respect to x. 1 by 1 minus n by y power n dy by dx equal to du by dx, and dividing 1 minus n on both sides, then substitute in equation 1. Then 1 by 1 minus n du by dx plus p into u equal to q by dx plus 1 minus n into pu equal to q into 1 minus n. Then in u, linear in u, and finally substituting u equal to 1 by y power n minus 1, then we will get equation 1, solution of equation 1. Now let's solve a problem. The given question is x into dy by dx plus y equal to x power 3 into y power 6. Then we also write as dy by dx plus y by x equal to x square into y power 6. That means we dividing x on both sides. We have to note that dy by dx coefficient is always 1. That is in the form of Bernoulli's equation dy by dx plus p into y equal to q into y power n, where p equal to 1 by x and q equal to x square and n equal to 6. Dividing with y power 6 on both sides, then we will get 1 by, let's say equation 1, 1 by y power 6 dy by dx plus 1 by y power 5 into x equal to x square, and let 1 by y power 5 equal to u. We also write as y power minus 5 equal to u, and differentiate with respect to x, that equal to minus 5 into y power minus 6 dy by dx equal to du by dx equal to minus 5 by y power 6 dy by dx equal to du by dx. That is 1 by y power 6 dy by dx equal to minus 1 by 5 du by dx. Let this is substitute in equation 1. That is in equation 1, so that minus 1 by 5 du by dx plus u into 1 by x equal to x square. Multiplying 5 on both sides, then minus du by dx plus 5u by x equal to 5x square, and the coefficient is positive, so that du by dx minus 5u by x equal to minus 5x square. This is linear in u. That means linear equation in u. And let now integrating factor if is e power integration of minus 5 by x dx, that equal to e power minus 5 log x, that equal to e power log x power minus 5, and that is integrating factor is 1 by x power 5. So that now the general solution is u into integrating factor equal to integration of q into integrating factor into dx plus c, that equal to u into 1 by x power 5 equal to integration of q equal to minus 5x square into 1 by x power 5 dx c, and that equal to u into 1 by x power 5 equal to minus 5 integration of x power minus 3 dx plus dc. Sorry, here I forgot to write minus 5, and so that integration of x power minus 3 dx is, that means I will show here, that is integration of 1 by x cube dx is integration of x power minus 3 dx, that is integrating factor of minus x power n is x power n plus 1 by n plus 1, that equal to x minus 1 by 2 into x square, so that u into x power 5 equal to minus 5 into minus 1 by 2x square, that is u by x power 5 equal to 5 by 2x square plus c. 1 by y power 5 into x power 1 by x power 5 equal to 5 by 2x square plus c, that is u equal to 1 by y power 5. This is a required solution. Thanks for watching.